welcome to my channel, and you're the first one to check out this model home that just built right here in Cedar Park here at Hidden Creek at Lakewood. So if you're interested, reach out to me, let me know, but wait till the end as I will let you know what this model home name is and square footage and all those details. Let's go ahead and get started. For those ladies, I'm sure you're gonna love this kitchen. Guess what? They've got the double oven right here. Pantry is gigantic, and also you've got your microwave right here under your island. So this is really nice, and look at this gas stove. I am so impressed. This one has a 6 gas burner. Love it. Another thing that I love about this model home is got extra storage right behind the island where you can either add right here all your extra pots and pans. This kitchen is an absolute must. It's got the storage you need. One thing that I love about this model home right here is, guys, they've used plenty of sliding doors, which makes it look very outdoor indoor space. Because right here, you guys can open up this whole thing and it's at your front yard, and then right here is your backyard, opening that whole thing up. So you can get a breeze from both the doors. And not only that, there's also a sliding door right around the dining area with tons of natural sunlight. So that's one of my favorite things about this model home right here. Right here, we're here in the media room. I like it because it's set in the corner of the house. It's very private. And then we're gonna go out and then see the game room, technically in the center of the house upstairs. So this is perfect for gatherings for the families. Okay guys, I didn't notice this before, but right when you go in front of the house, there is a garage, but this extra space that's not inside, outside, you can use it for anything you need. An office, a exercise room, whatever you guys need to do with that room. I love that section. It's got the windows both the sides, and it's just a nice little separate part out of the house that you guys can do whatever you want with it. Amazing feature for this model. This is the tour of the model home right here in Cedar Park. You're the first one to see it, and I'm excited to showcase when it's all done with the furniture so you can see how that's gonna look like. But if you guys have questions and if you wanna get on the waiting list, make sure to call me, and here's my information for you to reach out. Don't hesitate to text me, call me, or even email me. But if you want to learn something about Cedar Park and this community itself, I've got the other 2 videos on my channel, so make sure you watch that. Thanks for watching.